Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad.
Hello, my name is Jamal Goddard. I am the part owner of CyberOpsSource and the creator of Mobile.Form. I've worked in software development for a number of years with a background of cybersecurity and networking. Those experiences give me a unique perspective on something most HVAC organizations overlook. If you run a HVAC service company, the biggest threat you face is not a bad repair, but a bad workflow. Paper forms and static PDFs fail under audit. And I've heard of situations where companies lost up to $20,000 because they couldn't prove when and where a service was completed. It's not because they did anything wrong, it's because their data was not defensible. And in today's environment, every service report needs to be treated like evidence. Here's how Mobile.Form fixes this at the source. When a technician takes a photo in Mobile.Form, we don't just store the image. We immediately lock in the metadata. So the GPS information, timestamp, device ID, and we encrypt it. The photo becomes a seal record the moment it is taken. This works even offline, deep inside mechanical rooms and basements. Still works. So now, the moment the technician regains signal, that report is synced to your office dashboard. You'll see real-time status updates. Open the report, and there it is. The photo evidence, the verified location, the exact time, all locked and traceable. That is what makes your data audit-proof. Then comes the business impact. Your manager reviews, hits approve, and Mobile.Form automatically pushes the data into your accounting system. Whether it's QuickBooks, ServiceTitan, or a custom API, whatever you use, that single workflow eliminates days of invoice lags, which directly accelerates your cash flow. This is why Mobile.Form works so well for partner programs. The platform adapts to you. If you need supervisor's approval, we enable it. If your checklist requires specific photos or part logins, we bake that in. And to make the onboarding process painless, we include our form flip it service, turning all of your paper forms into fully digital templates. The industry is shifting fast, and the liability on service documentation is only getting higher. What you need now isn't just digital forms. You need a data partner that protects your business and accelerates your cash flow. Over the past several months, I've been gathering feedback from early users and industry conversations, and one thing became crystal clear. Commercial HVAC companies have the most to lose and also the most to gain. So today, we're moving into the next phase. We're opening 3 design partner slots specifically for commercial HVAC service companies. As a design partner, you'll get premium white glove onboarding, your existing forms converted into audit-ready Mobile.Form templates, discounted pricing locked in, and direct influence on features built for your workflow. If you want to evaluate your current risk first, you can download our 5-point service data audit checklist. It will be in the description below. If you go through that checklist, even if one of those points look familiar, your documentation process is exposing your business. If you see yourself working with us, you can reach us directly. Thank you for watching, and remember, stop fighting paper and start winning with data. Peace out.